Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11, mensuration, exercise 11.4, question number 1. In this question number 1, we have given a cylindrical tank. In which situation will you find the surface area, and in which situations volume? So first condition is given here to find how much it can hold. Student, you can see this is a cylinder, and also you can see this is shape of cylinders, and the question just ask us in which situations we find the surface area of cylinder, and in which situations we find the volume of cylinders. If you first condition is that to find how much it can hold. How much it can hold means how much water, how much milk, how much oil it can hold. In these situations we find volume of cylinders. Okay, volume of cylindrical tanks. Clear? The first question is that to find how much it can hold. How much it can hold means how much amount of water, amount of quantity it can hold. So in this condition we find there it's a volume of cylindrical tanks. Now the second B part of question number 1 is number of cement bags required to plasters it. So you can see this surface, how many number of cement bag to required to plaster this surface. In this case we find surface area because we plaster its surface. Okay, so in this case we find surface area, how many paint to need to paint this areas. So in this case we also find the surface area. Okay, now the C part is that and to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. Number of smaller tank that can fill from water. Okay, so in this case we also find the volume of cylindrical tanks. Okay, student, I hope all of you understood. In this case we find the surface area, and in which case we find volume. So today we are going to discuss how to find volume of cylindrical tanks, cuboids and cones. Okay, so let's see second question. In second question, this is given that diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeters and height is 14 centimeters. Like here you can see this is cylinder A, and this is a cylinder A. Diameter is given 7 centimeter, and this is height is here given 14 centimeter. Okay, this is first figure, cylinder A, and second cylinder is also given. This is its diameter is 14 centimeter, and its height is 7 centimeter. Height is 7 centimeter. Its diameter is 14 centimeters. According to question, this is given. Okay, this is a height, and this is a diameters. Clear? Now, and diameter of, okay, this is cylinder B. Okay, this is cylinder B, this is cylinder A. In questions, this is question number 2. Question number 1 we can discuss here. In this questions, this is given two cylinders, cylinder A, cylinder B. The diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter and the height is 14 centimeters. This is cylinder B, diameter is 14 centimeters and height is 7 centimeters. Okay, so volume of cylinders, in this case without doing any calculation, can you suggest which volume is greater? Okay, without doing any calculation, so first we need to know what is the volume of cylinders. How can we find the volume of cylinder? Okay, so for this we know the area of circle. What is the area of circle? Pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square, where r represent radius of the cylindrical base, and pi means the value of pi is 22/7. You can see this shape is circular shape. So area of this part is pi r square, but it is also height. Okay, so volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. Okay, so we can write here volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. Simply you can write pi r square into h. So here you can say height is we square here radius 2 times. So according to this formula, okay, according to this formula, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square into h. In this formula you can see here whose radius is greater. So cylinder B radius is greater. How can we find radius? The relation between radius and diameter is that diameter is equal to diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, clear? Or you can write here radius is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. See, in cylinder B, diameter is 14. This is given 14 centimeter, and radius is, you can find r is equal to, here you can find this is 7 centimeter, but in this case diameter is, this is diameter is 7 centimeter. So what is this radius? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. So you can write here radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Clear? So here you can see r square. It means that if the radius is greater, then volume is greater. So which radius is greater? You know very well. R 7 is greater than 7 by 2. Okay, 7 is greater than 7 by 2. So we can say the volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Okay, volume of cylinder B, volume of cylinder A, because the radius of cylinder B is greater than the radius of cylinder A. Okay, so I hope all of you understood how to find how to calculate, how to find the greater volume of these two cylinders without any calculation. So first we discuss H volume, how to find its volume, pi r square h. Okay, because r square means pi, this is a shape of circular shape. Okay, if you put a lot of circular shape at h height, then you find this area of this shape is pi r square. Okay, and again we put another this shape 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 8 times. So area of this it becomes cylinder. Okay, it becomes a cylinder, and the volume of its cylinder is pi r square h. Clear? And here you can see r square. It means that the radius is greater. A cylinder is radius is greater, then the volume is, that cylinder is also greater. Okay, and the second part of this question is that verify it, find the volume of both cylinders and check whether cylinders is greater volume, also is greater surface area. Okay, so without calculation we can find here the volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Okay, so you can write here volume of cylinder B is greater than greater than the volume of a cylinder A, because you can write because the radius of cylinder B is greater than the radius of cylinder A. Okay, now we are going to find its volume. Okay, to use this formula pi r square into h. So let's see how to find. Now so first you find the volume of cylinder A. So radius diameter of cylinder is given here. Diameter of a cylinder A is equal to what? 7 centimeter. Okay, diameter is given here. Diameter of a cylinder A is 7 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius of cylinder A is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, because we know that the radius of cylinder is equal to diameter by 2. Okay, radius is the half of diameter, and height is given also. So height of cylinder, this is equal to 14 centimeter. So volume of cylinder A, volume of cylinder A is equal to pi r square h. Okay, so here you can see the value of pi. The value of pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2, so you can write it 7 by 2 whole square of 7 by 2 into h. H is 14 centimeter. Clear? This is 14 centimeter. So in case of volume, we write here centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Okay. In case of area, we write centimeter square, and in case of length, we write centimeters. Okay. So here you can write it 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 14. So you can cancel it 7 by this 7, and this 2 and to this 11, and again you can cancel this 2 by 14. Okay, so we have only 11 into this 7 into this 7, 7 into 7. So here you can find 11 into 7 7 is 49, 49, and again 11 into 49. So 11 9 is 99, carry 9. You can write here 99, carry 9, and 11 4 is 44. 44 plus 9 is this is equal to 49. Sorry, 44 plus 9, this is equal to 53. Okay, so you can write here 53 centimeter cube. So in this way you can see here we find the volume of cylinder A. Okay, this is equal to 539 centimeter cubes. Now we are going to find volume of cylinder A. So first cylinder B, we write here for cylinder V, radius means R is equal to, this is radius, this is equal to 14 by 2, because this is diameter, 14 by 2, this is equal to 7 centimeters, and height h, this is equal to again 7 centimeters. Okay, so volume for this cylinder we can write here volume of cylinder V, this is equal to nothing but pi r square h, pi r square h. So value of pi, this is equal to 7, r is 7 into 7, and again this h is 7. So we can cancel it, and 1 7 here, and we have 7 into 7 into 22. So 22 into 7 it's become 154. 22 into 7, and again this 7 centimeter cube. If you multiply 154 by 7, then we obtain 7 4 ja 28, carry 2, 7 5 ja 35, 35 plus 2 37, carry 3, and 7 1 ja 7, 7 plus 3, this is equal to 10 centimeter cube. So here you can see the volume of cylinder A is 539 centimeter, and volume of cylinder B is 1078 centimeter cube. Okay, so what you can see here, you can see that 1078 is greater than 539. Okay, so from your discussion you can say that the volume of cylinder B is greater than the volume of cylinder A. So I hope all of you understood how to find, how to compare and the volume of both cylinders, cylinder A and cylinder B. Without calculation you can see which radius is greater. So in this case volume cylinder B radius is greater than cylinder A. Okay, because here you can see radius of cylinder B 7 centimeters and the radius of cylinder A is 7 by 2 centimeters. It means 3.7 centimeters. So 7 is greater than 3.5. So you can say because the formula of cylinder is pi r square into h. So here radius is square 2 times. So you can say cylinder volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. But when you find the actual volume by calculation using this formula pi square h, then also you can see here the volume of cylinder A is 539 centimeter cube and the volume of cylinder B is 1078 centimeter cube. Okay, so from above description you can say and that the volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Now the next part of this question is that we find their surface area whose cylinder have greater surface area. So how can we find surface area? Which formula we use here? The surface area means total surface area of cylinder. For this we use 2 pi r into h plus r. So let's see how to find the surface area or total surface area of cylinder A and cylinder B, and after this we compare it. Okay, so first we erase it. In this case you can see here we find the volume in both cylinder, and here we observe that the volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to find surface area or total surface area, you can say, of both cylinders whose height is given and the diameter is also given. So diameter is given here. So for the help of this diameter you can find its radius. Okay, so first you write TSA or surface area, both are same. Total surface area or only surface area, both are same of cylinders. Okay, and curved surface area is different. Okay, so here you write surface area of cylinder and surface area of cylinder. This is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r plus h, both are same. Okay, this is a formula to find surface area or total surface area of any cylinder or any cylindrical shape. So in this case, first you find the surface area of cylinder A. So for here you write here for cylinder A. So radius is equal to, here we find the radius of cylinder A. We represent radius by small r. This is equal to 7/2 centimeters, and height of this cylinder we represent height by h. This is equal to 14 centimeter. Clear? Now, so radius is given, we find here, height is given. So now we are going to find the surface area of cylindrical tank A. Okay. So surface area means total surface area. Okay. So you can write here surface area of cylinder A. This is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r, where r represent radius of the cylinder and h also represent height of its cylinders. Okay. So here in for cylinder A, here we have 2 into the value of pi is 22/7 into radius is 7/2 into its height is 14 and its radius is again 7/2. Clear? Now, so 2 cancel here, this is clear, and 7 cancel. We have here 22 into, if we take LCM, again it becomes 14 into 2, so 28 plus 5, 35/2. So we obtain here 35/2. This is cancelled by 11, and in this case we obtain 11 into 35. When you multiply 35 by 11, then we obtain 385. You can see here how you can multiply it. 11 5 is 55. So we write here 5, carry 5, and 11 3 is 33. 33 plus 8. 33 plus 5, this is equal to 38. So we have here 385 centimeter squares. Clear? So in this way you can see we find the surface area of cylinder A, which radius is 7/2 centimeters and height is 14 centimeters given. So surface area of cylinder is 385 centimeters square. Okay, now we are going to discuss next surface area of cylinder B. So here you can write for cylinder B, for cylinder B. So radius is equal to, we find here what is the radius of cylinder B. This is equal to 7 centimeter. Again height of cylinder B, this is equal to again 7 centimeter. So surface area of cylinder B, surface area of cylinder B is equal to nothing but you can write 2 pi r into h plus r. Radius of this surface area in this cylinder is 7 centimeter and height of the cylinder is again 7 centimeter. So you can put here the value of radius and its height and solve this. So here 2 into 22/7 into r is 7 into h is 7, r is again 7. Okay, so you can cancel it. Clear? Now so here we have 2 into 22, this is equal to 44. 2 into 22, this is equal to 44, and again 7 plus 7, this is equal to 14. 14 centimeter square, because here you are going to find its area. Now in this case you can see here 44 into 14. So how can find the multiplication? 44, yeah, you can say 14 4 ja 56, carry you are here 6 and carry what 5, again 14 4 ja 56, 56 plus 5 61. Okay, so you can write here 61. So in this way you can find the area of cylinder B is 660, and here you can see you find area of cylinder A 385 centimeter square. So you can observe that 616 is greater than 385. This is clear. Okay, so you can say the area of cylinder B is the area of cylinder A. Okay, now I again repeat this question. I again read this question. In question number 2, this is given that diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter and the height of the height is 14 centimeter. You can see here this cylinder. Next, diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. You can see here. Now, without doing any calculation, can you suggest? Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by find the volume of both cylinder. Check whether the cylinder with greater volumes also has the greater surface area. Okay, so first we find the without any calculation that's whose volume, whose cylinder is greater volume. So because you can say the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here r multiplied 2 times, but height is 1 times. So according to this formula, we can say if a cylinder has greater radius, then the cylinder has greater volume. Okay, so here you can see its cylinder B have diameter 14 and here cylinder is diameter 7. This is given. So first we find the radius by this diameter. So you also know that radius is equal to half of each diameters. So diameter is 14 centimeter here. So its radius is 7 centimeter because radius is the half of diameter, and here diameter is 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 by 2, or you can say 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so 7 is greater than 7 by 2. This is clear. 7 is greater than 7 by 2. So without any conclusion, you can say the volume of cylinder B is greater than the volume of cylinder A. Now again the question told us that find the volume of both cylinder and verify it, and also check whether the it's have greater surface area. So for this, first we find the volume of cylinder A and after the volume of cylinder B. Then there we obtain that the volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. So our suggestion is true because we suggest without any calculation to only see the radius. Okay, and after this we find their surface area again. So for surface area, we know that its formula how to find surface area of any cylindrical tank or any cylindrical object, 2 pi r h plus r. This is called surface area of cylinder or total surface area of cylinder. Sometimes we call it TSA, means in short form TSA, total TSA of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder. This is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r, where r is radius and h is height of the cylinders. This is given in figure, and one by one we find the surface area of cylinders this is surface area of cylinder A is 385 centimeter square, and this is cylinder surface area of cylinder B. This is 616 centimeter square, and if you compare this, then you find and that 616 is greater than 385. So in this case, in the case of cylinders also, you can say that the area of cylinder B is the greater than the area of cylinder A. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Okay, so thank you for watching. Jai Hind.